Executive two-story home with beautiful finishes. Features a welcoming foyer, spacious open-concept main floor, cozy fireplace in the living room, stainless steel appliances and designer backsplash in the kitchen. The eat-in dining room opens up to a large deck and spacious backyard. The bedrooms all have excellent natural light and great closet space. The master bedroom features a huge walk-in closet with built-in storage and a fully equipped ensuite including a corner jetted tub and a double vanity. Extras: there's a main floor office, a huge lower-level laundry room with great storage, and a large fully finished rec room wired with surround sound speakers. Home has high-end plumbing fixtures, in-floor radiant heat in basement and electric hot water heat on the main and second level. There is also 2 heat pumps for those hot summer nights. The large garage is great for the car lover and a handy person's dream.